at this, man. Yo, me and Nick off camera were just talking shit. I told him I was working at Walgreens making like 15. And I said, back in the day, I was working at Macy's making like $6 an hour. And then you were bringing up like, yo, you were making your first pay stub?
Yeah, one of my first.
What was it, like 5 something, 580, 590 an hour?
535.
535. Hey, I'm telling you people, man, we're here to motivate you, man. That's it, man. You know, my guy, me, is real, dude. Things happen in life. Everyone starts at the bottom. But he went from making 5 something at Macy's to having 5 Peterbilts, bro. 2 straight trucks. I'm throwing it out there. He ain't flexing. I'm flexing for him, man. I tell it, man. I tell it, it really can happen for you, you know? It's funny because my guy Nick, I gotta get him on like every time and like force him to do this because he's really a humble dude. Like, you know, I could tell like he just takes care of his drivers, he takes care of business, and he's not out here to flex, but that's what real bosses do. They don't flex, bro. They just do the thing, man. I'm serious, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's what it is, but it's so crazy, bro. Like, real talk, like, remember when we were making like $5, $6 an hour? Like, we're like, yo, we're never gonna make it, bro. Like, I remember, like, bro, why are everyone around us have Mercedes, millionaires, and we're over here broke as joke? You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Remember those days? Broke asses, man. And talking to our boys, like, straight up, like, yo, one day I'm gonna be. I told my friends, like, yo, one day I'm gonna be some. You know what? They're like, Alex, what the hell are you gonna be, bro? We all sitting right here. What are you talking about? You know what I'm saying? Man, shit, real talk. I remember in right out of high school, I didn't go to college right away, and the Burger King in the mall in Tracy, California. Shout out to you. Your asses ain't there no more, but they needed like 6 employees. They hired all of us, bro. All of us at Burger King. It was like the best job I ever had in my life, man.
Free food galore.
Free food, hey. Free food galore, bro. Real talk, man. Hey, you know, we're bullshitting today. We're talking to y'all. You know, my guy, he got to get going. You know, you're going to see from the video that he had to ghetto rig his shit just to make it work, you know. But not every day could be great, but we out here doing it, man. When you think back to the beginning, you're like, it don't matter how many breakdowns you have or nothing. It's like, you ever talk to, Nick, like the people you used to chill with before like this? Like
every day.
Every day? You still with them?
Still with them.
Hey.
Whole team.
Old team, huh?
Whole team.
That's what's up, bro. That's what's up. But my guy keeps it humble, man. I do most of the talking for him. And, you know, in real life, that's what you're supposed to do. The guy that talks the loudest usually ain't doing shit. So my guy's quiet, so I always got to turn on the camera and talk for him. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, Norris, trucking transportation. You know what I'm saying? Did I put it in the right order?
Nah, Truck Norris.
Truck, what up?
Truck Norris.
Is it Truck Norris because of Chuck Norris?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Baddest truckers out, man. That's the baddest man alive. We the baddest truckers out.
I was gonna say, because I saw your butt flaps, Truck Norris. I was like, that's hella funny, bro. Before I let you go, I remember that one story where people were like, yo, Chuck Norris was in the desert for 14 days, needed water, and a cobra ended up biting him. 6 days later, the cobra died.
Cobra died.
Truck Norris, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, see him, man. Yeah, follow my guys, see what they're doing, man. Stay motivated. That's what's up. Yo, my guy's in town. Let's check him out. Got my guy here, my co-host. What's up?
What up, mother truckers?
Hey, so let's check this out real quick. You guys remember my guy, man? Look at this. Mother trucker, man. Hey.
What's up, man?
Hey, man. Hey. All I gotta say is the Mother Trucker fam, they loved you on the last video, man. They were so proud that you were doing your thing and making it, man.
Yeah, man. I appreciate it, man. I want to say thanks to everybody. Thanks to you. Shout out to my boy at Steam It. That's about it, man.
Hey, that's what's up. So, yo, we just chilling today. So, what's new? Talk a little bit about what's going on this week, man.
Oh, you don't want to know about this week. This week's been a hectic week, man. We did a fuel pump, and it was rough.
We got to hear the roughness. You know why? Because on the show, people, they love the success, but they like the real, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, if you don't mind, talking about the realness of breakdowns, brother. I mean, how's it really like in this world? Because everybody out here, they feel like they could just get a truck for $25,000, get out here and make, you know, 7-8 grand a week and never run into any problems, man. Tell people the real deal about trucking, brother.
Oh, the part of trucking that you don't hear about?
Yes, sir.
So we went for the fuel pump. Because of the pandemic, the fuel pump is on back order, nationwide back order. If we could get it, the fuel pump was $5,400 plus the freight plus the tax. We bought the fuel pump repair kit. That was $700. It didn't work. They couldn't find the head, so we had to get the head shipped from Alabama. When they sent it, it was the wrong head. Let's send that head back. Now they found one that's supposedly right in Wisconsin. So we had to jig rig something, make it work in the back of the shop, and that's it. We had to get washed up today and try to go out on the road.
And so, what's the worst breakdowns you ever had? We're not here trying to scare people, but just let them know the real. You know what I'm saying?
So far, I would say this is the worst breakdown because it happened to me personally. I've been here stuck for a week. Plus, we can't get the part. But apart from that, we've had engines blown, we've had turbos go, we've had transmissions go. We've seen it all.
How much money do you recommend people saving to start their first trucking business?
You're gonna need some coin. You're gonna need some coin. At least a little 20 grand in the back pocket, just in case. You never know. You might need a motor, you might need a transmission, you might need a rear end. You just never know.
This beautiful truck is behind you, man. Can we tell people what kind of truck it is? Show them a little bit. You want to talk about it for a second?
It's a 2014 Peterbilt 389. We got the 550 Cummins in here. It's an 18 speed. We got 336 rears, 285 wheelbase. And we got the airbags on the front. We got all the Dominguez custom work on here.
The average breakdown cost, like, you know, if you averaged out a year in breakdowns, how much each breakdown cost you?
The average breakdown?
And now, remember, not just parts. You know, you lose the service, you lose the business, all that clumped up into one.
I don't know if I can give you a real average because you never know on such a wide spectrum. You could blow a tire and come right here and they charge you $350, $400, $500. You get a tire, you go. You blow a tire on the highway, they got to come out. That same $400 tire costs you $1,000. You know what I mean? So it's just where you break down. If you can make it to a service here.
Come on, man. Hey, let's go. Hey.
Yeah, so it all depends on where you break down, how you break down, where you get your parts, and about your mechanic.
Yeah, I heard that, man. So, hey, you know, we're already scaring people with the game. Why do you, with all this going on, why do you still truck drive, bro? Why do you still want your own, bro?
What else would you do?
Hey!
I've been out of work for a week and I'm still smiling, you know what I mean? So
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.